Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about the best features of Wayflyer for e-commerce businesses, based on my own experience using the platform to scale. When you're running an e-commerce store, the two biggest headaches are usually cash flow and knowing exactly where to spend your marketing dollars. I found that Wayflyer addresses both of these head-on, and that's why their core features stand out to me. First, let's talk about flexible funding. Unlike a traditional bank loan where you have fixed monthly payments, Wayflyer offers a revenue-based financing model. This was a game changer for my business. Basically, they give you an upfront cash advance, and you pay it back as a small, agreed-upon percentage of your daily sales. Here's why this is huge. If my sales slow down, my repayment amount automatically slows down too. There's no pressure of a fixed payment deadline crippling my cash flow during a quiet season. And if I have a massive sales day, I pay them back faster, which means I'm out of the obligation sooner. It minimizes the risk, and I keep full ownership of my business. No equity given up. The entire application process was fast, too. I got an offer in hours and funds in days. Second, the feature I actually value as much as the funding is their growth analytics dashboard. Honestly, getting the capital is one thing, but knowing the most effective way to use it is another. Wayflyer connects directly to your store, your Google Analytics, and your ad platforms like Facebook and Google Ads. This dashboard gives you deep, actionable insights into your marketing performance. It shows you exactly what campaigns are giving you the best return on investment, where your customer acquisition costs are too high, and where you're leaving money on the table. For me, it was like having a dedicated expert finance and marketing analyst on my team, constantly telling me, "Hey, increase your spend here and pull back there." It helped me make data-driven decisions that immediately boosted my profitability. So, in summary, the best features are flexible, revenue-based repayment model that protect your cash flow and the powerful analytics and insights that tell you exactly how to grow faster. Together, they create a true growth partnership, not just a lending transaction. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.